I know all is well. So for today's video, it's coming from Queen IFRICA. I want to wish her a happy belated birthday. Now in today's video, she will be speaking SHENSEEA, Tabby Diamond, and what's going on in Jamaica.
So first of all, I just want to say to everybody who said happy birthday on my birthday the other day. Thank you very much. You know, felt good. Good energy. It is good to grow up, you know. Yeah. It's always good to live to a certain age where you can say, you know, you live some life. Some might be rough, but for the most part, you can say, you know, I live some life. And tonight, I turn on my live because an artist like Tabby from Mighty Diamonds just dead like that. A group will bring so much life through music to the entire world. When Mighty Diamonds come on stage, it's like every stage show comes alive when those brothers walk out on stage. And Tabby is a brethren who him never want to leave the inner city, you know. Him love the inner city. Him love him community. And brethren dead brother, you know. You know, some shootout or something. I don't know what the reason is. I don't care what the reason is. But this is the state of my beautiful country today. Jamaica. While everybody get along with them life. Everybody debating. Everybody wondering what's happening. But nobody now make no move. Nobody now, everybody just standing by and watch this little country named Jamaica go down into the ground. I just like send a little message tonight to a lot of the vloggers them that we have online now that seem to be breaking news left, right and center. I just want to have them check how much you love this little island here. If you really love Jamaica for true, or you love views for true, you know. And all the people who coming in, say them love Jamaica. I want to start prove to Jamaica people say, you love them for true. And another piece of land where we have down here. It's not the piece of land you love. Why you sit down and watch Jamaica people kill off themselves and the people them who really want help and really know what to do. You shun them and push them aside. I just want to say to Jamaican people that the devil pitched tent down here and is ready to go. You see, all of those people who know say God live and know say there's a God, who no need to come a God right now. Because we are come to Jamaica is not the new Jamaica that our Prime Minister is talking about. Yes, it's going to be a new Jamaica. But it's going to be a Jamaica full of zombies that are just going to look at what's happening to our young people. What are we doing as a people? Who is facilitating this murder down here? We know. Why are you shunning and locking down the voices that want to speak for the people? Why are you doing it? And Jamaican people, where are you? Well, no dead. No dead off. Is the new Jamaicans them down here now? Is the anything goes Jamaican down here now? Is God no matter no more Jamaicans down here now? Me want somebody tell me, Wagwan in a Jamaica, where are the sleeping giants? The legacy that we have as a people, what happened to it? You tell me, say, me senile, something wrong with me. Something wrong with people like myself, who say none of these people in authority don't want the people who killing them one another to stop. They want them to kill out them one another, clear out the place, let in the new Jamaican them, and everybody are supposed to live happily ever after down here. Because down here now is the new Sodom and Gomorrah, bar none. Anything goes. Jamaica, the legacy what we have as a country, the legacy what we have as a country, I go down like this, we are going to allow them to create order out of chaos in our country. I'm going to ask, I'm happy to say I'm mostly Jamaican following them on this page. If you have goodwill, when the live you're done, save it and share, go give some friend to me there. Make them just speak some sense out of me nonsense. Everybody busy setting up shop in a Jamaica. No one is busy looking at how we can go for these kids and these youths who are kill themselves. Tonight, on all angles, on TVJ, them are asked about gathering. A gathering, them want to discuss. One of things say somehow we know the story about what going down here. One of things say that little boat we tell our something they go so fit through. So to because some we not go no obia man and some we not sit down with no guard. I the most I create a guard up somehow. So our voice now go heard, boy. So now go hide the truth from the people forever, boy. The people now go realize say a puppet to not turn them in a down here, turn Jamaica people in a puppet. Jamaica people, we are no puppet. Watch them organizations here, we are farm. And I say them a farm and uno be half. None of them no want to talk to Queen IFRICA. None of them no want to hear my questions. All of them want to engage me, but them no want, they no want me in the circle. They no want me here, nothing. They no want me here, nothing. Because they know say, if me here, where they up to Jamaica people and know right away. So what wrong with that? What wrong with we sounding the trumpet for the people so that they can know say I'll be a vulture. Line up round because we not do things for followers and likings. We do things according to the will of the Most High. Music, our medicine, all not for kill Tabby. Me don't know if him did mix up, me don't know if him, but Lord have mercy, man. What we are do? You know, what we are do? We want with children them if just start swim we can or we know if drive we go. We don't want we pick them just start swim off. And again, me I beg on no vloggers. Start love Jamaica people and not them and not the things them we are tear we apart. Jamaica people are suffer in front of the world and the whole of uno and make money off of it. The whole of uno, nobody now run come to the rescue, and when we talk and so we chat too much and we forgot sit down and I want to you allow the people them. But you have some little girl where I come tell the little boy them say them have sex with them, you know, them wish part. And that good. Every government official go stand up around that and big that and big that up. Jamaica people stop eat the docile food and drink the docile drinks them. Them have put something in our food and in our drinks. That's why we now react to nothing. As a matter of fact, we react to things, we now respond. As a black race, we feel. Me no care when no one wants to say, as long as the sun come up and the moon come up, our voices are going to come up on behalf of what it means. I mean, I'm going to continue to talk politically correct for them space here no more. We have to go paint some literal pictures. You see me? We have to go paint some literal Jamaica under attack and Jamaica people are distracted. And you have some little organizations, and some little new governments where farm boy say them a farm in a Jamaica because when them a wait until them are two government are exposed in front of the people them and then now them come up and say, yes, see we are the savior. I Jamaica people start pray. Start pray. The world depend on we. And we set civilization in the Western Hemisphere. And we are the island where make other cultures born out of our resilience, out of our resistance against colonialism. So when time you see the Queen and the parade the other day and everybody was rejoicing because Jamaican people was flashing them the English flag, them know that the people docile. But look up the word docile and see what it means. They said they were going to make us docile. Jamaican people, we are becoming docile. We are forgetting what they did to us, and this is not a call for violence or violence, whatever the pronunciation is. This is a call to say, remember who we are though. We were people who fought with the English for 80-something years against colonialism. Not every Jamaican came here on the slave ship. There were Jamaicans here before the transatlantic slave ship pulled up. And this is what the big fight over Jamaica is, because we are the true democracy, because we are free people dating back to as far back as you can look. Africans used to travel freely before slavery. There is no way that Jamaica is born out of a slavery. Black people did free to go anywhere. That's why we became neighbors with Cuba and Haiti. It's not a coincidence. Stop make them fool with a man and just look on the literalness of who there were 10 tribes that was brought to Jamaica. But look it up. The 10 tribes, they have names that came here on the slave ships. These are the 10 tribes that are among us now, that we are fighting among each other. They separated us as soon as we landed here, or those, because me never come here on a slave ship. Me a born free black woman. Me don't know what it feel like to be a slave. And the legacy that me come from. The Jamaican will not take no talk from no slave master. Seeing everywhere we go in the world, them fear because them know say the Jamaican black people them. 80 follow us and rebel. His bookman left here go help 80. Go check on the history of Jamaica. The reason why Marcus Garvey was so famous in those days when there wasn't no Twitter, no Instagram, no Facebook, no Meta. Marcus Garvey went to America and had millions of black people uniting. You know why? Because of the legacy that he left Jamaica with. The island that was known to overthrow colonialism. How we praising colonialism now, what we're doing. We cannot give up like this, Jamaican people. I remember me tell you, they would have loved to see we are rant and I burn some big spliff and I fall over ourselves, but we love life. Jamaica people love life, we love style, we love fashion, we love the children. Them Jamaican man love them woman, real Jamaican woman love them man. What is we come to? What is happening to us as a people? Why the world looking on and wondering what's happening in Jamaica? They know what's happening here. They know what's happening here. But what they did, they sieved us out. They sieved out the resistance. Them know say the resistance. You there, you know, because you don't know. You can't kill culture. You can't try to change it. You can't kill culture. And Jamaica culture got always be Jamaica culture. I mean, just beg me Jamaican people, them are true, we don't want to spread division, but me have some things where me have to go talk to the public so that the public can understand what is Queen Ifrica, aka serendipity, role in this war. And every black woman or every woman or man for that matter that's watching this live tonight, I want you to go look up the word serendipity and see what you get. Because I am at that point, because I dig that deep to find out what going on with my country. And no matter how them try to hide me, you can't hide Jamaican. I want to know, man. We don't do talking and do things, we do things, man. We don't want no more blood this time. So I just want, you know, if you just know, say Jamaica will never bow. No matter what stage you come to, and any organization, me there look. If nobody else now look, any organization will come, say them will come to rescue Jamaica. If you don't know real and genuine, you don't know get no let in. And bro God, yeah, take it for granted. And Mr. Golden, yeah, act little too soft. Make sure you know what you do, because God not sleeping. And the ancestors, them blood are boil. Let me say, the ancestors, them blood are boil. So all who are on here right now listening to what I'm saying, I know you are the chosen. I know you know the truth. Those who have left, At the end with them, we look for sauce. Gonna soon get sauce, man. A sauce on the light, gonna soon get sauce. But just know say that now I'm gonna stop the fire from burn here. Jamaica is worth fighting for, you know. Not just talking for, but walking for. You see what I say? Yeah. And we will never stop standing up for this island because this island history too rich. What we have as a people is too rich for our young people to be so distorted and just feel like violence and the way they and the lewdness they and the I just the way there. I'm gonna tell you again, me not care when nobody wants to me lose half of my fellow artists them. My artists them have to come care with owner fans them and come show them. Everybody gonna take side with the system, cut them like a piece and over this call we chatterbox over here. See, me don't know why they're afraid of me, so. I don't know why they're afraid. It's like me, you know, in the industry, like, where's Queen IFRICA? Boy, I prefer if she go and stay around this podcast. She nah look no friend from the system. Me nah look no friend from the system. I want Jamaica people unite and come together and march pan them. I mean, not talk march with no undercover New World Order government. Me talk about real government. We are coming real changes for Jamaica and want to see real republic out here. We don't want no fake republic. We are going to let in all kind of crosses and Sadamism in our country and a position on ourselves. If we turn down here in the New Vegas or which one of them country we will not do nothing and nobody not care. Jamaica not turn in that. Because God never did make Jamaica for that. And the ancestors never got turn over in that grave. If you not sit down here and lego the devil down here. Because if you not think, so I always come out and say, talk nice. You make a sad mistake, I go at up some sore, I go tap in a some neck. You hear me say, I go do because I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of the system. You come like you don't say. A years me in the business, I know. And I choose this over style and fashion. And lick. I choose the bunny system over commercializing my culture. And if I ever go down in a history for that, I'm not about to that to suit nobody. And no. I don't know, make me come rant on social media like ladies saw them. When I see me on social media, I burn the system. And I tell Spice them to come join me. Big up yourself, Tanya Stevens, because you take up a struggle. So I have to big you up, mama. You see what I say? That me I talk about artists when I think about just them pocket and think about the people where they depend upon if you tell them the truth. And tell them we are going so that I can have an understanding. All of a sudden, our politician have a celebrity. We could have got no party for 3 years straight. And one night, them out a lick and talk. Without mask and a berry. And that alright. That good. Everybody thumbs up with that, and me and the artists them like myself who not have a problem with in a society, and the pastor them like Pastor Chambers them and them the people who not have problem with. Cause we are no fifth columnist, you know. Me not try give nothing. We walk around with a microphone and talk from halfway tree to Montego Bay as long as somebody will stand up and hear. Me not have to go up on the stage. I did sacrifice stage when I got a grand gala. I go say, no fish in our ital dish. I did sacrifice my career when I didn't do that. So, I'm not supposed to say, I never did come about career and fanfaring. Me a real Jamaican, the original Jamaican them, we never know slavery. They represent the free black African. African where they just travel from Africa and could have traveled go anywhere we want to go. Richard Curry, Don't make me have to tell the people them the truth about what going on a compound town. See? We just come tell the Jamaica people the truth and make we unite and spare the blood. Come tell the people them the truth, man. And the whole I don't stop take Jamaica people for food because we never make them do no education or going on no book. See? Whole heap of things that they won't need for know Jamaican people. And because when you stand up and say, when you stand up one side and make one hear them dead out. How long shall they kill our prophets while you stand aside and look? Everybody will come talk for Uno. Uno make them kill them off and Uno say, boy, John, one thing do them man, they just stand up for this truck. Come stand up with me now. Uno no must say we love Uno and must say we have Uno back. Devices them where I sacrifice everything to make Uno know the truth. If Uno see the system I push against we, you know must know say we I say something where they don't want to hear. Use the common sense something now. And that's how we have to take it now. Everybody are trying to convince people through social media. They don't want to call me for nothing. They don't want to interview. They don't want to ask me nothing. You don't know, sir. That's why they don't want to ask me nothing. I don't talk to no foreigner right now. I'm Jamaica people I talk to. In my language. My original Jamaican language when I'm a slavery teacher that I feel with that where we create round here. They might come try to tell me about a language, a fairy language in here, patois. And it we used to talk. That's why they used to confuse. They never used to understand the things them where we are saying. So they want to break it down in some holy palico. We have some like bossy slave, Fiba, Offspring, and Malato John. We go look up Tislewood files and see what kind of slave them they will have. We can sit on one side and watch Jamaica people kill off themselves and talk about. They don't want no better, they don't want no better. All they want Chang. All you, Mr. Chang, if you remember, say you're a Chinese man, in a sir. So I don't know how you know about black people and how to solve black people problems when you're a Chinese man. If the whole of the youth, them, you know, call the youth, them adolescents, when they have no guidance, I just gangster and them fit dead and them fit kill out and them fit. You understand? I'm not just low, you know, no? Low, you know, no low, you know, man. Give you a break now, man. Give Jamaica people a break. You're not too wicked. You're not too wicked to Jamaican people. Only little people love chat up on the mouth about you love Jamaica. Enough of you happy. Because enough of you a pedophile and some holy sitting. Some predator. We have benefit off of the weakness of Jamaican people. So you don't want this is a betterment because you don't want to set up shop down here. I don't can have only little Kevin Smith quarters over there. So I don't look at that the quarters over there. So I don't look at that the quarters over there. So and turn Jamaica people in a sheep. A sheep, them are turning in a Jamaica people. Sheep. Stop make them feed, you know, start plant food. If you don't think say paradise down here for we. Watch and see if I'm no slave. The whole way I turn a slave and I tell you say me born free. And if me have to live so born in Jamaica, me not living here. And me never, not even Africa, me either plan to go live. And Jamaica me did plan to stay. All my life. And when me look and see say we sit down and reduce to this. And it coming like it's the order of the day while some vulture. Where they know the truth, just sit down and wait until we are born crawl out our belly. At that time, they will come and say, alright, so I'm kerchief here. Come follow me now. Get up, stand up for your right. Hey, you didn't know, say Bob Marley, them family not even they come from Jamaica and them come fight so hard for we. Bob Marley mother come from Cuba, you know, Rita come from Cuba, you know, Bob Marley father come from England, you know. And Bob Marley born here and decide say him go fight for Jamaica, you know. I want to go on, all these strangers are going to come fight for we. We can't fight for ourselves at no point in our life. And now we set the trend to fight for ourselves. And we decide, say, we're not going to be no subordinate to the colonial system that them have to cut a deal. We see all the maroon them too. So the bad maroon them to get called out, you know, because some good maroon there, but some bad maroon there, you know. Some bad maroon there. Enough of them a benefit off of that sell out they were going 1738. To the day, yeah. I know the Jamaican them we are dead. They know the Jamaican, you know, long me ask you know which Jamaican them they are dead. Who ever talk a story how it go? Who went talk a story how it go? Me I left that life here in a weakness, you know, and that me I do, you know, cause me see where I go on boy, you know. I want to go look up Thomas Thistlewood files. I want to go study the 1738 treaty it upon the Harvard University site. Black people sit down with no family, Jamaican people sit down with no family and go through the Thomas Thistlewood diaries and go through the 1738 treaty. Break it down for yourself with no family them, and it will help you to understand the disunity that is happening in Jamaica that no one can explain, but everybody know it. But there's a secret that is being kept against us as a people. The reason why we are divided. There are entities among us that know the true story. The maroon them know the true story. They call the rest of Jamaica Jamaicans. How you justify that? Make we get smart. Make we get united. Make we fix the country how we used to in the olden days. By ourselves with unity. Make we get rid of the middle people. Then we no mean, we no well. Me I go bombard no, me I go turn on back the IG page. Me I go bombard no, me I go find ways to get to the Jamaican people. We need to take back our country.